By bolo zaujímavé od vás počuť, ako by ste predstavili zahraničným partnerom, a stačí jedna, dve vety.
Slovakia is a very beautiful country with a lot of great people.
Slovakia is a very beautiful country with a lot of great people, but big mafia. Big mafia,
Igor, čítame to, čo je napísané v učebnici. To tam není.
Sulik, no buy testy. Nekúpil tie testy, Sulik, no. Nekúpil testy!
Stačí.
I'm Milan Majerský, prezident Christian Democratic Party.
I'm Milan Majerský, president of Christian Democratic Party. Good weather today, good race and kind of problem I shushen is perfect.
Nech sa páči.
Môžeme rusky, nemecky.